So Khushi,
Yes, yes.
just in case to let you know that your audio was not very good and audible to the audience. So please,
Okay.
just to give an highlight of what you just spoke, please repeat some things, which you think are important.
Always shoot in RAW. As the raw file, in raw file you get like each and every detail available, and by using raw file you can recover all the things you want. Like if you have, in case if you have shot, took a shot in what you can say low exposure, then by using Adobe Lightroom and the raw file you can recover all the data. So crop tools, profiles, and the light adjustment. So I was talking about the light adjustment, in which curve allows you to use curves allows you to adjust the overall brightness and contrast of the image at the same time, and the exposure allows you to exposure allows you to increase or decrease the not contrast, the brightness of the overall image, and the contrast allows you to bring out the details you want to show in your photo in the time of post processing. And highlights and shadows में it's same as contrast. In highlights you can increase the details of the dark, like brighter area, and in shadows you can increase the details of the darker area. And what whites and blacks do is in white you can increase the intensity of the white color. Is the white balance. So by using white balance you can correct the colors you want to, like, yeah, you can correct the colors, you can bring the balance to the image, balanced colors in the image. And uh, and by using color, temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation, you can bring that balance you want in your image. And next is this HSL, in which HSL, the full form of HSL is hue, saturation, and luminance. Hue increases the intensity of the, like, you can adjust the intensity of the color you want, like the shade of the color you want. By saturation you can increase the you can increase the intensity by the saturation, and you can adjust the shade by using hue. And by luminance you can adjust the brightness of the specific color. So this is mostly used to bring like creative tones, like,
But having a basic Lightroom also can bring out the best you have. So yeah, continue, Kushi.
yeah, like it's not necessary to use like every photo में you don't have to use like same settings use करना जरूरी नहीं है हर photo में. So by using this HSL tool you can like what you can say, create different tones of your own. So
Yeah, we can enhance a
if
same
it's
picture
bad,
into different categories. Same picture
yeah,
can tell
you can,
different stories. Like same picture
yeah.
can show whatever we want a picture to show. So to discuss over here, we also have many different types of softwares available for editing in mobile. For example, we have Snapseed. We have the built-in photo editor in different types of mobiles. Yeah, yeah.
Which first basic, we start with the basic adjustments. So I'll
Yes.
decrease a little of exposure,
So this is the exposure she's talking about.
highlights. I reduced highlights almost to like left side because so that ज़्यादा डिटेल आपके पास में रहे इसके लिए. जो शैडोज चले थे, so you can see this before. And by using curve I'll adjust the middle part.
Like, can you differentiate and tell these different? There are two categories of curves which are available in Lightroom.
Yeah, like by using this red you can adjust the red part, green be same like
The tint which
RGB.
we have.
uh, this color correction. Let's do this in cinematic tones. Decrease the temperature to minus 20. Then we bring to minus 48. So now we can see like जो face का जो part है वहाँ पे almost like blue थोड़ा सा हो गया. So we can reduce some vibrance. Then by using this HSL tool, we can adjust the hue and the luminance part. Then by clarity, decrease a little.
So increasing clarity always gives you a more sharper picture, but it is not exactly what sharpening is. We have a different option for sharpening the image, but clarity is somewhat which makes your picture more clearer. So if you reduce the if you reduce the clarity, then you can find a different glow to your picture, and it will look a bit blurry. So that is the plus and minus of this using clarity option.
Clarity.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not necessary to use it every time. It depends on the picture.
Yeah, if your picture is more clearer or more defining, then it's not always recommended to use it.
So now see this split tone how it changes. Let's see. It gives you this brownish tone. Then we have a little bit blue tone. More blues. This is more highlights like what
Yeah,
are the
yeah.
highlights like pinkish tones. I guess
It's
this.
basically changing the lights, and you can change the actually you can show what you want to show accordingly.
So for balancing, we can adjust like so ये होता है ना what is it say double exposure kind of thing between the highlights and the split tone and the what we changed the contrasting. So this was the before first image. This is after.
Yeah. Please go back to the curves section. I'll tell you one important thing. So this is the curve she's talking about. So here in curves, I guess you are able to see the cursor. So these are the curves according to the color palette, or you can say it actually changes the R, G and B in a color. There are two different categories, or you can say different types of color. There is CMYK and RGB. So RGB is Adobe's premium thing which RGB is used. So this single circle enables you to change RGB at one time. Then once you come back to the red part, that is the RGB is red, RGB is green and RGB is blue. So it helps you to change accordingly. Kushi, please tap on the last curve which is after the blue.
This is for tones, mid tones.
Yeah. So it please touch the curve bar and show that there are many limitations. And what are your limitations? By touching the curve, you can see the lower limitation is up to here and the upper limitation is up to here. So it usually helps you to play in a particular ground, and it doesn't allow you to overexpose or overchange the color of the tones. So it is a nice what I can say feature given by Adobe. It helps you to enhance your picture more better. Yeah, you can continue with what you were telling.
Now this was before and after the editing.
Yeah.
Next we'll edit this light.
One big problem of Adobe Lightroom is it takes a lot of time to load your pictures. Like you can't batch
Yeah,
process.
raw images.
Yeah, you can't batch process images in Lightroom mobile at least. If you have a good system, if you have a good PC at home, you can anyway download and use it in your PC. It's more far better to edit one single picture. It takes usually a lot of time depending upon your phone, but it takes a lot of time.
Huh. Next again I'll decrease the exposure. Level, not more. And the contrast so that I get this light in focus.
Yeah,
Then the
enhance the
pixel
tone of
decrease.
those sunlight which is falling on her hair.
So you can see the difference. Now next towards the color grading. I'll change the color of this yellow and this blue kind of maybe this orange and this.
So basic thing what I feel like is the editing stuff is all related to you, your eyes, your colors, your feel. So you can if you are using any kind of software, you could bring out the best colors which you have. Mostly I what I feel is you should not push your limits of a photograph and spoil it by making it more HDR or making it more clearer or make it more sometimes many people over edit those photos. It
You
actually
can
does
play
not
with
give you.
colors, subtle colors.
Yeah. So it does not give a proper look out, and most of the times you ignore this kind of pictures.
You can see this.
Yeah.
Then by using curves, like I prefer to use curves in the end.
Yeah, it helps you to balance, and particularly it gives you a limit, so it makes it more easier for us to do it.
So this was before. Change the blue color a little. Yellow. Now it's look good.
Yeah.
Next, now I have one preset with me. Create preset. By clicking on that, never select like tools का box हमेशा uncheck होना चाहिए and the geometry as well.
For the cropping and
And
other
here you
purpose.
can हाँ क्योंकि cropping and all वो हमेशा same नहीं हो सकता. Then
Yeah.
preset name you can name it whatever you want.
Yeah, after once you apply your settings, you have to create click on the create preset.
After applying this all, just click OK and you are ready with the preset. So then go back, click on the image where you want to apply the same settings. Then
Again, you have to wait for a minute or so for your picture to get loaded. Oh,
load.
this happened very quickly.
Loaded.
Good,
So
good.
now there is this preset available 1, 2, 3 which
Yeah.
I created. And you get the image.
Thank you so much again for taking out your precious time and showing your USP, your editing skills to us, and helping many of us out here to how to use this tips and tricks to bring out the best of our pictures what we have. So any more tip or anything you would like to add before we end this stream?
I suggest like not to add ज़्यादा contrast every time क्योंकि people क्या करते हैं हमेशा इतना ज़्यादा HDR create कर देते हैं फोटो में कि वो जो फोटो का real जो मज़ा होता है वो चला जाता है. So I suggest to play with natural color only. Stay stay towards
The complete image you have, You can show the natural colors, you can enhance them, you can show it in a different way. You can monochrome, like you can change the basic color of your picture to black and white, but there's no need to disturb a particular pattern or a picture which you have with you.
Yeah, I
So
can create like much of distortion in the
yeah,
image if you need more of contrast.
yeah, so I guess we are done with it, and I'll appeal you also share this. We'll ask our
Yes.
friends out to send and click and send some pictures, so that next time we probably meet up, we'll show how to edit our kind of category of pictures which our friends click, or how can these pictures can be edited. And yes, thank you so much again. Let's
Thank
meet
you
up
for having
soon.
me.
Yeah, let's meet up soon with a new idea. Probably we'll find something more interesting next time. Bye bye, take care.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Take care.